Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is find compound interest on $100 for 6 months at 12% per annum, compounded half yearly. Here we have given principal amount is $100. Then rate of interest R is 12% per annum. So it is 12 by 2 means 6% for half yearly. Then we have to calculate the compound interest for the time 6 months. So it is 6 by 12 into 2, that is 1. Means it is half year. So we can calculate amount by using the formula P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power T. So 100 into 1 plus R is 6 divided by 100 to the power T means 1. So it is 106. Now compound interest can be calculated as A minus P. So 106 minus 100 means $6. Hence compound interest on $100 for 6 months with the rate 12% per annum is $6.